Parrot are about to release a brand new drone at the end of this month, and we've received an invite. But that invite left a sour taste in our mouth and a severely ironic twist. Hi, I'm DroningON, and Parrot are a French drone manufacturer, and towards the end of this month they'll be releasing a brand new drone. We received one of the exclusive email invites to the launch event webinar held at the end of this month, but something in that invite is incredibly distasteful and we couldn't not talk about this. Just to give a bit of background, Parrot are a French drone manufacturer, and basically they've produced products over the years such as the Anafi and the Bebop, which were both incredibly popular drones, but in recent years they've distanced themselves from the consumer market and moved more towards enterprise and prosumer. We actually reviewed the Parrot Anafi drone and absolutely loved it, and that's why this situation is disappointing and a bit of a surprise. The email that arrived from our Parrot contact included an attached PDF, which was the event invite. And if we look at that PDF file, you can see initially there is a nice teaser image in the middle. The teaser image shows a selection of different coloured lights which do seem to match some of the leaked images of this speculated new drone, which is probably going to have a thermal camera attached to it. But sadly, the teaser image was the last thing that I saw in that invite, because above that teaser image is a slogan which reads, "Don't trust Chinese drones." Now, at first when I read that, I questioned, is this really from Parrot? They are a well-respected company with a fairly good reputation in the industry, and would a company really stoop that low? Sadly, it is. It's part of the marketing for this event, and in a current world climate of global racism awareness, I just feel that this kind of marketing blurb and slogan is just entirely inappropriate. Not only is it highly offensive to the Chinese manufacturing industry, but also to the Chinese as well. How would Parrot feel if DJI's next launch event said, "Don't trust French drones"? The reality is that DJI and other market-leading companies would simply not stoop to such poor tactics. And do you want to know the utterly ironic twist here? Here's the Parrot Anafi, and if I just remove the battery on this, guess what it says inside? My first action was to call my Parrot contact and express that I find this highly offensive and inappropriate. And their response was fair, and they actually apologised immediately for that. But I haven't since seen any retraction of the invite. I haven't seen any email distributed as a follow-up, as a global apology to everybody to whom it was sent, and I think that really should have been Parrot's next action. It's one thing, the anti-China brigade criticising Chinese manufacturers, but it's just a next step for manufacturers to be criticising each other. The other consideration is that DJI have been the target of this data conspiracy story, but there are many other drone manufacturers and electronics manufacturers in China who are entirely innocent and certainly not the target of this, but this kind of sweeping statement targets them all. In my opinion, Parrot should be publishing an apology globally across their social media and press release channels based on this scenario, because it's utterly embarrassing for them as well. Their launch event for the new drone is still happening at the end of this month on the 30th of June at 3 p.m. BST. It's possible that our invite to that webinar will now be cancelled, but regardless, we'll still be reporting on whatever they release. Sadly, however, whatever they intend to release, I believe that the focus will remain from now and for a while on this marketing campaign. Comment below with your thoughts on this scenario, give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you like Drone U. And of course, click that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.